Hi everybody, Steve Bergen here, and you're looking at my iPad, and I want to emphasize again that settings is the brain of the computer. The brain of your iPad is settings, and that camera is the scrapbook of your computer. It's the photo album of your computer. It's all sorts of good stuff, right? And I want to make sure that you know that for curriculum purposes, working with students, it's very useful with projects to put things into your camera. So I'm going on the web before I start this project, and I'm going to come up here and search for a picture. And when I find a picture, and here's one of parts of the computer, I just click and hold. And when I choose save image means put it into my scrapbook, put it into my camera roll. I'll go back to Google, right, and just to have some fun, I will put a picture of my favorite athlete, Larry Bird, and I'll get that picture. And once I have that picture, and I click, and when you click and hold on the web, you can save the image into your photo album. Whatever you're doing, think of your photo album, think of your camera roll as an essential part of the iPad. There's nothing that resembles it on your Mac or your PC. You need a map of Spain. Go ahead, type it in, find the map, and when you see the picture, almost always click and hold, and you can choose Save Image, and you're moving that picture into the photo album. Now we're going to use an application for this lesson called Skitch. Skitch does require a login and password. You have to download it. It's a free app. What you're looking at is my Skip account, my Skitch account, and I've already been working on some pictures. I'm going to press the plus sign because I want to work on a new picture. My preference is to choose a photo from my scrapbook. So I'm going to choose from my camera roll, which I keep saying to you is the scrapbook, the most important part of your iPad. I'm going to get the picture of Spain. I've got the picture of Spain, and I'm going to see what Skitch lets me do. Skitch allows me to crop it. There's the cropping tool, and if I want to crop it, I take the cropping tool and I drag around what I want, and now I've cropped my image. It allows me to put arrows on it in the color that I want. So I'm pressing the arrow tool, and now I'm pressing and pointing so that I can have an arrow. It allows me to use letters to do some typing. So I can say to my students, this is one of the largest cities in Spain. You got the idea. All this stuff is automatically saved in the clouds in your Skitch library. But guess what? Skitch has the ability to take the picture that you want, the picture that you've been working on, the picture that is being modified, and with the arrow on the upper right hand side, you see where it says done? Right next to done is an arrow, and with that arrow you can put it back in your camera roll. What else does Skitch do? Skitch allows you to have a highlighter, and with that highlighter, right, you can make certain areas of your picture either more attractive, or you can wipe them out. It allows you to have a little photo thing, so you can, if you had a face and you wanted to rub out a face, you could do that. It allows little baby icons as tags that you can label different parts of your picture. So what is Skitch? It's something to enhance a picture. Now your assignment is, after you create one of these, I want you to, of course, save it, saves to the clouds, but then I want you to email it to me. So that's my way of knowing you've done the assignment, emailing it to sbergen33@gmail.com. You'll appreciate having a Skitch account. You'll appreciate the fact that your Skitch pictures are there. I'll choose save. It's saving to the clouds. If you want to delete one of your pictures, you hold down the delete icon in the upper right, and then you just go ahead and press the X on whatever icon, whatever picture you don't want anymore. All right, I'm done with Skitch. And the things you want to know before we say goodbye right now is that Skitch is a free app. Of course, they give you more features if you pay for it. Skitch works with the pictures that are in your photo album, and your camera roll or photo album is a very important part of your iPad. Thanks, and hope this has been helpful. Bye.